4.5 billion years. That is how long Earth has been here, orbiting an ordinary star in an ordinary corner of a vast, silent universe. But Earth's story is anything but ordinary. It began with chaos. It gave rise to life, and eventually to us. This is the story of how fire and rock became oceans and forests, and how it all might just be a brief spark in the darkness. The birth of Earth. Earth formed from dust and violence, tiny grains pulled together by gravity, crashing and merging, growing larger and hotter until at last a newborn planet was born, molten and alive with magma. But Earth wasn't alone. A Mars-sized body, Theia, slammed into it. The collision was so immense, it tore off debris that later gathered into our moon. Without that cosmic accident, Earth might have been just another lifeless rock. For hundreds of millions of years, Earth was a world of fire. Volcanoes raged. The air was poisoned, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia. But then it rained. For thousands of years, it poured. Oceans formed, covering the scars of impact. And somewhere in those warm, mineral-rich seas, life began. Tiny microbes, fragile, primitive, but unstoppable. These simple cells changed everything. They discovered photosynthesis. Sunlight turned into energy, oxygen as waste. Oxygen was toxic to most early life, triggering mass extinctions. Then, oxygen reacted with methane, plunging Earth into global ice ages. Entire oceans froze, a white planet drifting through space, waiting to thaw. When Earth warmed again, life exploded in complexity. The Cambrian seas filled with bizarre forms, creatures with shells, spines, eyes that could see. The first ecosystems, the first hunters. Evolution's grand experiment had begun in earnest. Hundreds of millions of years later, vast continents split and drifted. Dinosaurs rose, towering over forests and plains. For 160 million years, they ruled Earth longer than mammals have even existed. But then, an asteroid. The sky burned, darkness fell, and the age of giants was over. In the quiet after the catastrophe, small mammals thrived. Some took to the trees, grew larger brains, learned to shape tools, to build fires, to tell stories. Humans walked out of Africa, spread across the globe, reshaped it to their will. In mere moments of geological time, they split atoms and launched machines beyond the sky. And now we live in the thinnest slice of Earth's long story, a fragile moment balanced between memory and possibility. The only known creatures to look back across billions of years and wonder where it all leads. Earth has survived bombardments, ice ages, mass extinctions. It has time. The question is, do we? And if we do, what future will we write on this ancient, beautiful world? Thank you for watching. If you want more journeys through time, space, and what it means to be alive, subscribe and explore with me.